On the 4th of July, when Americans everywhere were celebrating our most sacred national holiday with parades and barbecues, Governor Sarah Palin was busy having me, Shannyn Moore, declared an enemy of the state. In a rambling, quasi-legal letter, the most powerful person in the state accused me of defaming her for pointing out the fact that there have been rumors of corruption, rumors that have been around for years. When Sarah Palin gave her 3-week notice to the people of Alaska, aborting her term as governor, a lot of people wondered why she quit. Mid-level managers turned in their notice, not elected public officials. It didn't make sense, and it still doesn't. There were rumors. There are a lot of rumors. And with all the corruption that we've had as a state over the last several years, well, of course we wonder if there's more. Governors don't just quit. But Governor Palin did. The governor's massive overreaction on the 4th of July, no less, should make any reasonable person wonder what's wrong with her. The lady protests way too much. Eventually, maybe we'll all find out why she resigned. Sarah Palin is a coward and a bully. What kind of politician attacks an ordinary American on the 4th of July for speaking her mind? What's wrong with her? The First Amendment was designed to protect people like me from people like her. Our American Revolution got rid of kings, and it got rid of queens as well. Am I annoyed? You betcha. Sarah Palin, if you have a problem with me, sue me. Shannyn Moore will not be muzzled. That's my statement. If you have any questions, I have copies of my statement as well.
So, do you, Shannyn, will this affect, what you blog on? I mean, if you hear rumors, are you going to report them?
I never have reported a rumor as truth, but I don't think it's wrong to report a rumor exists.
Do you think there's ever a time to be concerned about responsibility when there's a rumor about something as serious as a criminal investigation, and even if it's labeled as a rumor, that you have no verification, no idea whether it's true or not? Is there any concern about publishing or broadcasting anything like that?
I think it's great that the FBI has come out and said that the rumor isn't true. But the fact that there was a rumor is true. I'm sure that you've all heard a plethora of rumors. I'm, no different.
Do you think that now that the FBI has said that they're not investigating, Van Flein says he's not aware of any investigation of Palin, do you think that bloggers and others should stop suggesting that there are investigations of the governor?
Well, sure. I mean, if it's disproved, then of course they should. If something isn't true, they shouldn't report it. The fact that I reported that there was a rumor is true. There was a rumor, and she dispelled the rumor, and that's great.
You haven't heard.
I'm not disappointed that they're not investigating her.
You haven't heard of anything from Van Flein suggesting that he's actually going to go through with a legal action video?
Van Flein hasn't called me or emailed me. Neither has the governor or Meg Stapleton. And the first I heard of it was when a reporter sent me this yesterday, right before I went on the air for my radio show.
So, Shannyn, do you anticipate changing anything about the way you're doing? Or?
I've been outspoken about the governor. I've been supportive of the governor on certain policies. I think that that's my right as an American citizen, and to be censored in that is just, well, it's un-American. It's un-American on the 4th of July, to boot.
I was just waiting for the plane to go away. Let me just ask you that one more time. I mean, are you going to change your approach to blogging because of this in any way?
No. No, there are blogs out there that are specifically designed around rumors about paternity and maternity issues having to do with the Palin kids. There are blogs out there saying that Barack Obama is not a United States citizen. There are blogs, there are people that write about rumors as fact all the time. I'm not one of those people. But, I have no intention to stop holding government officials accountable.
Now, one of the things we did talk to Thomas Van Flyne, and he said that it wasn't so much what you said on your blog, but that other blogs were reporting what you said as fact.
I'm not responsible for what other blogs write. I cannot possibly control the blogosphere. I'm just a girl from Homer. You know, I have no way to control what other people write on their blogs.
You haven't heard of anything from your radio station management or anything from them about this idea?
Stay classy, knock 'em dead. That's what I've heard. And you know, the fact that this press release came out, this is not a just a girl from Wasilla versus just a girl from Homer. This is the most powerful woman in the state of Alaska. She's also powerful enough to take Michael Jackson out of the news with her resignation. She is a very powerful woman, and for her on the 4th of July to come out with her attorney's words and just come after me it's ludicrous. And I'm not going to be muzzled. I'm not going to, and I don't think other people who are critical of their governors, whoever they are, or their elected officials, whomever they may be, should stop paying attention.